Hi folks, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to show you a project that we're really close to finishing. And let me give you a little background about what's going on here. This is a townhome. The owners recently retired and they decided that they wanted to downsize. So when they did, they bought into a smaller home. One of the things that they recognized right away was that there just wasn't enough room to put a large table in place so that they can have the kids and the grandkids come over for the holidays. So let me show you what we decided to do as a solution. Okay folks, this is what we did. This is the entry door into the foyer area. This is a foyer. And right where you see the tile where it meets the LVP flooring, that used to be a wall. Because where that LVP flooring was, there was actually a small guest room in here. And that guest room went almost to the end of the wall here in this corner where you see the light switch. And on the back side of it, so we have the light switch here, on the back side of that wall was a breakfast nook. So this was the breakfast nook area. So what did we do? We took out the wall to the breakfast nook to make the room a lot bigger. And we also went into the foyer area and we pulled the wall out where the foyer is. And now we have a room that's large enough to actually put a long dining room table. Some of the neat things that we're doing in this room, take a look at the LVP flooring that we put in here. And a cool feature there that you don't always see is down here where it meets the tile, it's actually flush to the tile. Got a little piece of Schluter in there as a piece of trim, and then it gets flushed to the tile. Some of the other features in this room is the wainscoting that you can see. This is actually stained, and the stain's finished. It was a whitewash type of stain. We wanted to be able to see the knots and imperfections in the wood to make it look more beachy. And this house is near the beach, so it was a good idea to do that. What you see laying on the floor, that's the vapor barrier. There's some tools to put in the LVP flooring. So this is what we did, and I know a lot of people have a similar problem. I hear it a lot, where you just need more space for your dining room table. Some of the other beachy looking things. Take a look at the fan here. Looks like a palm tree. We ended up putting a bunch of lights in here to brighten up the room. And there's where we're at. When we get this thing finished, we're going to show you some other pictures. Thanks for listening.
That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our page. We'll see you next week.